Good day, everyone. My name is Christopher Connolly, and we're here to talk about the weather system, a new gadget that you can use everyday life to describe the weather outside and interior to see if it's rainy, dull, or sunny. Because right now it's dull because it's at night. That's how I can describe it. Let me show you at the following cameras. See. The input is how is the weather today? It's showing us that how the weather is today. It's if sunny, it's very good for you. And the sunny part is very good for us because it's too sunny. But check your weatherology status on Google to see if it's all these weathers. Notice this is the best way not to be hot during the sunny weather. Number one safety precaution, get some ice cream during the day, or get some cream during the day. And the strategy number two, get some cream every day. Cream your body every day, it's good for you. And scenario number three, get some cold water in case you're thirsty, okay? Now, and look cloudy, very, very cloudy. I mean, it's not that good, but good for one reason, because it's got sorrow. Check your virology status in Chrome. The best way not to be cold during the cloudy, rainy, or windy and stormy weather, you have to get a sweater, get some hot water, and stay close to the chimney fire. Those are the only ones in abroad or America. For rainy status, the same way for all those. Now for dull status, good. Check your weatherology status on Google. Notice the best way to not be cold. The best way not to be cold or hot. Let me correct that. The best way not to be cold or hot during the dull weather. During the dull weather is that it might not be stormy, rainy, or windy. It just shows it is nighttime or something. Now let me continue. Let me continue as we speak. Get some hot water. Get some hot water. Let me bring out all the strategies from there. Oh, I almost forgot one more thing. Then I can get some cold weather, and then best way not to be hot during dull weather is to get some cold water and get some cream. And those are the strategies in the dull weather. Now, I hope you know, this is just edition 1. Now, let me talk about edition 2 before we leave. Edition number 2, the season of the year. Unfortunately, it's not for Nigerians like us. So, it's only for Americans, other foreign countries, luckily for them. So, how is the season today? If season is spring, hooray! Very good. Check your weatherology stats on Google Chrome because I have a website that can help to this research. I have a website that's helpful to this research, like this one. Yep, you can check this website anytime and anywhere. So notice it only comes up on March 19th or March 20th, as you've seen from that page. Go to that page, and let me tell you what it's called. It's called timeanddates.com, calendarseasons.html, question mark year equals to 2000. You get your own. Green grasses, blue skies, a new semester in school begins. Elif season equals to summer. And let me add something to there. You get spring breaks. You get spring breaks. You get spring break. You get spring break. for 2 weeks. You get spring break for 2 weeks. You get spring break for 2 weeks. Now, let us begin. Now, let us begin with summer. Before I leave, let me just correct this. Then summer, extra good. So, let me even write it down first. Extra good. Check your weatherology status and Google. Remember, check that page. Summer usually starts on June 20th/21st. It's just a cool season to relax. But unfortunately, during midsummer, another academic year commences. If season is autumn, good. Check our weatherology status and Chrome. The season that TV shows usually start or end. I've been checking Google Chrome ever since for TV shows, and I discovered that they start on September or whenever they start. So, if the season is now. Also, before I complete it, chores, you have to chores to do. Rake and clear leaves for 3 months. Then, if the season is winter, extra very super cool good. You check your weatherology status in Google Chrome. Notice it's winter comes on December 21st or December 22nd. Any of those dates should be fine. A cool season to enjoy ourselves. Number 2, you get to see snow. But one fact about snow, it has its advantages and its disadvantages. Its advantages is have fun with it and play with it in the snow. And a disadvantage is it causes something called snowstorms. We celebrate Christmas and Happy New Year in the season. Now, what it interprets is that it's seasons and weather. It shows how the weather and the seasons are whenever they go on. And then here's your weather systems. Let me run both of them at the same time. Let me start with weather system edition number 1. Oh, sorry, bad news. There we go. How's the weather today? Let me say dull. That's very good. As I say, very good. Let's hold on. Let me see what's going on. Rainy. Oh, let me check if it works. Let me see what's going on with it. It keeps going every day. Let me see what I did with it. Let me open my recent projects to see what I did. Oh, of course. I know one reason it's like that. We have to put a variable. We have to assign it to something we call a variable. Now, all we have to do is to spread the word. All you have to do is to spread the word to it. Let me see if it will work. If it does like this, it will work on everything. Let me see if it will work. How was the weather today? Let me say dull. Yay! Hallelujah! It works. Now we have seen how it works. You have to assign it to a variable, which is a problem. You may see it in some of your programs. Now let me run this one. You see, I asked the same problem. Let me say winter. It's still winter, don't we? It still works because I assigned it to a variable earlier. Hooray! Now, before I leave, let me just leave with an assignment. Your assignment is to make your own weatherology status, and it does not you must not copy from me. You must be able to identify your own and make your own so I can see it in the comments. I must be able to see it in the comments in my YouTube. All right, see you next time. Bang, 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 bang. Bye bye and farewell.